Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favorite go-to hairstyles when I don't want to put heat on my hair. So if you enjoy them, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. We appreciate it so much. For the first hairstyle, this one's super popular, but it's so easy and so cute every single time you do it. I'm just going to take the top section of my hair, and I'm going to create a little bit of a triangle in the top, taking wider here and then going smaller as I get back. That way my hair still looks full in the front. I'm going to get just a little bit more. Also, if you can't tell, I have some baby hairs, and I did not think those were a real thing, and they are. So if you have them, this one's a great hairstyle to hide them just a little bit. I'm gonna gather my hair and then just secure it with a clear elastic. And then I'm gonna create a little bit of a bun. I'm just gonna tuck some back into the band to make it look a little bit smaller. So for me, the key to this hairstyle, because I do have some fine hair, is some awesome little bobby pins. I try to make my bun a little bit big and loose, and then I just take it and bobby pin small little sections to make it a little bit more put together and not quite so crazy. Just kind of taking it and pinning it wherever I feel needs. Looks different every single time, so you don't have to be super particular about it. Just kind of do what you feel. These are some of my favorite hairstyles to wear some hair accessories with. I love a good hair scarf, so if you have one laying around, put it to good use. Also, hair scrunchies, clips, bobby pins, they all work. And they make a style so much cuter. So, especially in the summer, I love to put them to good use. I'm just gonna take my hair scarf and I'm going to wrap it around under my bun. And then I'm just going to tie it. And this one's a little bit shorter, so I'm just gonna tie it in a little bit of a knot rather than a bow, and it gives me a lot more fun texture. To me, the key to making this hairstyle look amazing is loosening up the top to make it fuller. I love some volume up in the top of my hair, so this is key for me. And that is all for this hairstyle. It's super easy, super quick, and it looks cute every single time. There's one tip I would say is don't worry about getting it perfect. If it's a little messy, that's okay. That's what it's supposed to be. For this next hairstyle, it's perfect if your hair is a little bit more dirty because it hides it better. And I'm gonna be using my hair scarf again. I'm just going to separate it into 3 different pieces. And I'm going to tuck the edge under the middle and then the right edge under the middle. Then I'm going to add a small amount of hair in and just keep doing the same thing, creating a Dutch braid. Then I'm just going to secure it with a little elastic and create a small bun. Loosen that bun up a little bit, make it really messy. And then I'm gonna also loosen my braid. Make it fuller. Loosen up the sides of my hair a little bit. And then again, I'm gonna use my hair scarf, put it under my bun, and then just tie a small knot. And you got a ton more texture. This next hairstyle is one of my go-to styles when my hair's super dirty, but I don't have time to wash it, but I still wanna look kinda cute, so I'm sure you're gonna love it. We're gonna start off similar to how we did the last hairstyle, so I'm just going to gather a small section in my crown, split it into 3 sections, and do a Dutch braid. And again, remember to tuck those two sides underneath your middle section to create a Dutch braid. And in the front, I'm being sure to leave out small sections for freeze framing and just pulling right behind that. And the same thing on the other side. Now I'm just going to gather all of my hair, secure it with a pony, and then create a little bun. I like mine to be pretty messy, so I'm just gonna loosen it all up and tuck and pull in different places. Now I'm gonna move up to my braid, and I'm just gonna slowly start pulling to make it full and loosen it. Always remember, the more you pancake your braid, and the more you pull it, the bigger it's gonna be, and the more soft it's gonna appear. And again, a good bun is always so much better when you just pin here and there. It helps it also hold in place a lot better. Don't worry about pinning it too much though, because you still want it to appear messy, but you don't want it to be out of hand. This style already looks awesome without a hair scarf, but I always love adding something fun, so I'm just going to tie it around my bun and then make it into a bow. And I know I tie a bow super weird, but it's the only way I know how to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you try it, be sure to tag us because we'd love to see it on you.